Neutron, you made this.
Oh, hi guys! My name is Rian and welcome back to another video! And this is really Israel, and today we're going to show off Jollibee exclusive in Barong. I kind of like this one, it looks pretty cool, and yeah! So guys, I'm going to teach you how to open boxes. Pop toy boxes. All the boxes. So you'll need any kind of card. Make sure it's not like paper or something. And then you'll need to take the box, put it upside down. Then as you can see this one is an opening as well. You can see. So in the sides, there are like two holes, right? And here there's like another one, but it's like this. So what you want to do is to go put the card in the hole and then put it like this, like that, next to that, and then push up. So you can see that. That's pretty cool, right? Okay, there you go. And ooh. Okay, so now that we have our box and Jollibee, let's close this. So, if you already know how to close it, it's pretty easy, just like normal boxes, like before. And there, I have an empty box, and now you can see he's stuck. Okay, let's open him up and let's see. Whoa! It looks so. To get this Jollibee, it's pretty easy. You'll just need a chicken bucket that has 6 pieces inside, and it worked $9.50. It's pretty easy, huh? And I kind of ate all of it. I like the Barong. It looks pretty cool. It looks like 2 thumbs up or 4. No, 1,000. And then this is pretty cool too. This is the old one. And yeah, I have to mention this, guys. Be careful if you're like twisting the head, because like the wings on the back, these are very fragile. And it might fall down or maybe got like took off. And we have this. We have a duplicate. We have a duplicate from Philippine Barong because they have a super secret card, and then we finished 2 of them. Then we got these. So we have literally 3 Jollibees. But I'm very happy, and it's very cool to have 3 of them. So like a family. And I have to say, I kind of like it. And then if you want to see like everything from this, here you go, guys. And 3, 2, 1. Look at that. So the back looks pretty cool. And yeah, the chef hat is pretty cool as well. The wings are pretty cool, I guess. The front the antennas are cool as ever. Look at that. It even has pants that are black, and the Barong and the thumbs up is pretty cool. I don't know. So guys, if you kind of like this, please leave a subscribe. If you like all of these, all the Jollibees I mean, and look at him. This is pretty cool. So I'm going to copy. Okay, so the difference about this one and this one, that they're hands. The Barong one is like this. like that. And then this one is like showing off. If you have fun with me, guys, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment down if you liked it. So